Hey everybody, I am once again in Tokyo today. The virus numbers have been getting a little bit better recently, so I felt comfortable coming in at least during the daytime. And I'm actually here today looking for plum blossoms. It's February and the plum blossoms should be blooming. The only problem is that pretty much all of the gardens and parks in Tokyo where I would normally go to find the blossoms are all closed because of the virus. It's honestly kind of weird to me that they would close all the gardens. I mean, all the restaurants are still open, public transportation is still open, but the gardens are closed. So I don't know, make of that what you will, but anyway, they are closed, so I can't go to those places. But I've got a couple other places I'm going to go that I think should have some blossoms blooming right now. So right now, actually though, I am in Shimbashi. This is not a place to find the plum blossoms, but it's a good place for some city photography, so I'm going to enjoy a little bit of that before I go searching for the blossoms. So I hope you guys will enjoy coming with me today as I wander around Tokyo. I've made my way to Shiba Koen, which is in downtown Tokyo. It's actually very close to the Tokyo Tower. I don't know how well you can see it here, but it's right back behind there. But I'm not here for the Tokyo Tower today. I'm here for the plum blossoms, which, as you can maybe see behind me, are blooming right now. Not all of them are blooming very well. A lot of the trees are pretty empty, but there are some that are blooming, and enough to get some good pictures. So I'm gonna spend just a few minutes here and hopefully find some good shots, and then move on to my last stop for the day. My next and final stop today is the Yushima Tenjin Shrine, which I am just outside of here. And I'm not really going to film much inside, at least not with myself. I'll probably take some pictures and things like that inside, but this is my stop. But honestly, looking behind me here at the trees, I have a feeling the plum blossoms are not really blooming right now, so not sure I'm going to be in much luck, but maybe we'll find a few trees that are peaking a bit early. It has been a very nice day today. I think I got some good shots. It's still earlier than I expected for the plum blossoms, but I still caught some pretty ones and got some good photos, I think, so that's good. And honestly, it was just nice to get out of the house, get back into Tokyo for a bit. Although about a week from now, I'm supposed to get my car, and I'm really excited to get outside into the countryside and get a bit more into nature again. But I hope that you've enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, so that you can see those new videos as they come out in the future. Stay safe, guys. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you next time.